Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To review your Hotmail or Outlook.com login activity or history, then you'll have to follow these steps. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Outlook.com and sign into your account. Once you are logged into your account, then click on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the Outlook.com interface, and this will open a menu. From there, select View Account or Account Info option available there, and this will take you to your Microsoft account settings page. And once you are in your Microsoft account settings, you will have to scroll down and look for the sign in or review activity option available there. Simply tap on it. And now this section will display a list or summary of recent sign-ins to your Microsoft account. You should see details such as the date and time of each login, the location, and the type of device used for each sign-in. Review the list of recent activities to ensure that all sign-ins are familiar to you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.